Nothing is free. Not success, not happiness, not even the air we breathe. It takes effort to inhale, and the world expects something from us in return. Too often, we search for shortcuts. We hope for easy success, instant results, and effortless rewards. But life doesn't work that way. Every great achievement requires sacrifice. Every dream comes with a price. Think about the most successful people in history. Athletes, entrepreneurs, leaders. They didn't wake up one day at the top. They paid in sweat, in long hours, in failures and setbacks. They invested their energy, their time, and sometimes even their comfort to build something extraordinary. If you want success, you have to work for it. If you want happiness, you must invest in it through relationships, personal growth, and resilience. If you want to change your life, you must be willing to step out of your comfort zone, to take risks, and to embrace the struggle. But here's the good news. Though nothing is free, everything is possible. The price of success is not something beyond your reach. It's discipline. It's perseverance. It's the decision to wake up every day and push forward, even when no one is watching, even when it's hard. So don't wait for life to hand you something for free. It won't. But if you're willing to pay the price with effort, with dedication, and with an unshakable belief in yourself, then there is no limit to what you can achieve. Now go out there, work for it, earn it, and own the success that you build with your own two hands.